What is it about rags to riches or grass to grace stories that captivates our hearts? Is it the triumph over adversity, the transformation, or the demonstration of human spirit at its best? Today, we're taking you through a man's extraordinary journey from broke to millionaire. His life lessons could change your life. Welcome back to Effortless Efficiency, your hub for personal growth and transformation. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notification. It is free to subscribe. Now, let's get into why we are here. Let's journey into the life of this person who started from the bottom and made his way to the top, against all odds. He was born into a family with limited means, battled hardships, faced rejection, and was on the verge of giving up many times. Yet, he remained undeterred. His struggles were real, but so was his resilience. To survive, he took on odd jobs, delivering newspapers, selling door-to-door, working at a car wash. Despite the hardships, he never lost sight of his dream to rise above his circumstances. The turning point in his life came when he discovered the power of self-education. Books became his mentors. He devoured every book he could get his hands on, from Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki to The Power of Broke by Daymond. He didn't just read these books. He internalized them, practiced the principles, and started seeing changes in his mindset, his habits, and eventually, his circumstances. Driven by his newfound knowledge, he started his own business. It was tough at first. Long nights, countless rejections, scarce profits. But he persisted. He knew that the road to success was often paved with failures. And slowly but surely, his business began to grow. He reinvested profits, diversified his ventures, and steadily built his fortune. And then, one day, he achieved his dream. He was a millionaire. But the wealth did not change the man. It was the journey that had transformed him. Today, he uses his success to empower others, sharing his journey, his lessons. He teaches the importance of resilience, the power of self-education, and the value of perseverance. His story reinforces that the path to success isn't easy. It requires hard work, a learning mindset, and an unwavering belief in oneself. From broke to millionaire, his journey isn't just a success story. It's a testament to human resilience and determination. It's a reminder that success is not defined by where we start, but how we navigate our journey. Did you find his story inspiring? Hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Remember, every success story starts with the decision to try. Stay tuned for more life-altering content.